Alright guys, so we're about to leave the house now. Lens is a little fogged up, but we're gonna focus on catching some peacocks for the next couple of days. Hopefully put together a nice video. Let's get them. I guess we'll get on the water eventually. If this guy ever decides to come out of his house. Yee boy! About time, fool.
Now we on our way to greatness.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, there's two.
Just catch one. That's all we need. Just stay tight on him. Whatever you do, stay tight on him. Oh my God. Let him take line if you need to. Let him take line if he needs to. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's go ahead, let him stay on the drag. Stay tight, reel up line. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. No.
Did the hook come up?
Yes, the line snapped.
Get him up there.
Get him up there.
No way.
That's where the line snapped.
Holy.
Turn him a little more sideways so I can see him. There you go. Oh my God, what a nice fish.
What do you think?
I think that's solid 5 just because how fat he is.
Yeah, dude, look at that belly.
Look how fat that belly is. That's ridiculous. All right, let's get him back. Yeah, hold him. There you went. Yo, I can't believe the hook came out.
The line snapped.
The line snapped and then the hook fell out too.
Looks like we're going to the fly shop.
I hit the fly shop on the way home.
Yeah. Quickly.
Oh, don't jump, you little hoe.
Grab it.
Don't let go.
Don't let go.
Thank you, sir.
Always cover the eyes.
Why?
They don't move, they go numb.
Yeah. Alright guys, first fish of the day. 3.5 hours in. That's a nice one up.
That's a little guy for here.
There we go. That new behemoth. First peacock of the day.
We saw like 20 in the school just sitting there. Just being ready to be caught. Right back to this hole.
Attaboy.
Oh my God, this is gonna be so legit. Right there. He's gonna hit it. You got. Ah! You can hook set sideways. He's still there, right?
Got him. Attaboy. Keep him out of the rocks.
The piling. Pull him this way. Just walk him out this way. Don't let him jump. Don't let him jump.
Man, that water splashed all the way over there, dude.
Alright, right? You got him, you got him. Grab him, grab him, grab him. Shitty Jacob. It's a good fish.
There you go. Turn him. Right there. Turn him again. Still see him? Okay, I guess you still see him. That was the most finesse hook set I've ever seen.
It wasn't a hook set. I was like, wait a second.
That was so finesse.
Is there a fish on?
I guess there's a fish on.
No, I got the little one, guys. I got the little one.
You got the little one.
We don't discriminate. We don't discriminate over here at Westward Media.
He's a little cutie.
That behemoth though.
What a nice reel, what a nice fish. Alright.
Sounds good. Pretty fish. Alright, let's get her back. Get him. Atta boy. It's alright, we don't discriminate. Hashtag we don't discriminate. Back to back. What was that, like 1 minute?
Next cast.
Yeah.
2 casts. That big one I still see, so I do try to get it.
Alright, another cast, another fish. Back to back. Let's go get another one. Yo, he's a pig. Trying to keep him out of the bridge. Alright, guys. I'm gonna have to bring him up this ledge. It's about 15 feet. I really hope my line doesn't snap right now. Oh, man. Oh, he's so big. He's too big, man. I don't know, should I go under the bridge? Oh, man. Oh, yeah. We'll walk him down, I'll be right back. Alright guys, here we go. Pig on fly. Absolute monster. I would guess 5.5, 6. I don't know, man, maybe even 7, honestly really don't know. Alright, I gotta get back in the water. Alright guys, got him back in the water. He's good. Swam off good. Oh my god, that was amazing.
Whew.